Morning here with Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We are here doing a new flat roof here at this home. There was an addition put on, so we are going to give them a new flat roof. We'll show you what it looks like. Come on up. Okay, welcome back. We've come up on the roof. Go ahead and take a look. So we have a new substrate. We have a perimeter detail with a 45. That's really good for mod bit because now you have a more smoother transition from the flat up the parapet wall. We have a scupper detail at the end. So this roof has been framed to properly shed water in and around to that scupper. The client is going to put a composite deck when we're done. So really we want to make sure there's 100% because obviously if there's any issues, the composite deck has to come off. So we have a new flat roof. We're going to do a 2-ply modified system, self-adhered. We'll show you what it looks like. We got a perimeter detail. We got a flash in, and we will show you what it looks like. Thanks a lot. Hey, welcome back. So we have finished installing the base sheet. We had the metal installed here. So we're doing a metal transition this way. The base sheet, the cap sheet, it's all properly sandwiched together. We have the scupper we roofed in here. So this roof drains by an external scupper. They have to put a downspout. So everything is sloped towards here. We roofed in the scupper. So just want to show you what the intermediate process looks like. We have our base sheet, primed, cap sheet with the metal flashing sandwiched in between. So it's a nice look from the outside looking up. We also have some wall details we have to work on. I'll show you what it looks like. Thanks a lot. Great, welcome back. We have finished installing 80% of the cap sheet. We have some wall flashings done on this end, and we have our scupper. So it's a peel and stick system, so you release the backing off and you stick it down. The last portion of installing a roof like this is welding. So we're gonna get a heat welder, such as this, and we turn it on. It blows out extremely hot air, and it fuses the back asphalt layer with the bottom layer. So that's actually what creates the waterproofing system with this membrane. It's without doing that, you're just gonna actually leave it open and water's gonna get in over time. We have the wall details to do. We have the metal flashing being bent right now. I'll show you what it looks like. Thanks. Hey, Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We finished the job, turned out wonderful. Client has a wonderful roof. It's gonna last him for years to come. Also, more importantly, they're gonna put a deck on this roof. So we really gotta make sure it's 100% waterproof and even bulletproof, because removing the deck to deal with a leak is just a big headache. So there we go. We have a concrete sill here. So you don't want to Tapcon into the concrete sill because you can easily pop it, damage it. Now you're into reforming concrete. We put a polyurethane coating, bituminous coating, which dries to a rubber touch. So that turned out wonderful there. We got some wall detail flashing. We also have a scupper detail here in this corner. So all the membrane has been welded, the base sheet, the cap sheet, and then we have what you see is another coating, because now when water comes, it might sit here and it's basically a pool liner when we're done. So there we go. Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. Hope you liked it. Hope you learned something. If you are in the southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.